Hey Angel here, Madrid, Spain, the land of flamenco dancing, bullfighting, and tapas, awaits you with excitement and anticipation. The architecture of Madrid is the first thing that strikes you. Everywhere you look, there are beautiful buildings, each one more ornate than the last. The grandiose Palacio Real, the stunning De la Alamunda, and the Plaza Mayor are just a few of the architectural wonders that catch your eye. The locals seem to have a zest for life that is contagious. They laugh, sing, and dance their way through the narrow alleyways, filling the air with sound of joyous chatter. And then there's the food. Oh, the food! Madrid is a food lover's paradise with endless array of tapas bars, seafood restaurants, and pastry shops. Indulge in succulent octopus, rich paella, and mouth-watering churros con chocolate. In Madrid, the night comes alive. As the sun sets, the city pulses with energy, and the streets are filled with people. The sounds of music echoes through the air. You dance the night away, twirling and spinning to the rhythm of the flamenco. You leave Madrid with a sense of longing, knowing you will return one day to this enchanting city that stole your heart. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest video. Comment down below so you can tell me what you'd like to see on my next video.